I wanted to go on this trip for months, but you know how it goes. When you have time, you don't have money, and when you finally have money, your time's already gone. So we ended up here in November instead of the perfect summer I had imagined. But once we arrived, it didn't really matter. Lake Eibsee was quiet, misty, almost secret. It felt like it belonged to us. And I realized something I keep learning over and over again. Dreams rarely show up on time. Life rarely looks like the picture you hold in your mind. But the version you get, the real, imperfect, unexpected version, it's usually magical.